A wonderful story of the forest. Once upon a time, there was a small village in a quiet forest. The sleeping spirit Sumina lived in this village. Sumina weaved a special story every night so that people could fall asleep comfortably. One day, an old man in the village asked Sumina, "Recently, I can't sleep even at night. Please tell me a wonderful story." Sumina smiled, looked up at the starry sky, and began the story for her grandfather. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful lake deep in this forest. At night in this lake, fairies bathed in the moonlight danced. They watched over those who traveled in their dreams and invited them to a peaceful sleep. The old man closed his eyes while listening to Sumina's gentle voice. Sumina continued. One night, a curious little bird came to the lake. The little bird found the beautiful dance of the fairies and wanted to be friends. The grandfather's heart flew away with the little bird in the story and moved to the world of fantasy. The little bird asked the fairies, "I want to dance with you too." The fairies nodded with a smile and put him in the group. And on the lake, they danced a special dance. The moonlight reflected, and the lake glowed silver, like a dream world itself. At that moment, the little bird realized that it was as free as the sky. The story continued, and Sumina's calm voice led the old man to an even deeper sleep. The fairies and small birds continued to dance all night, and the water of the lake was enveloped in its beauty. All living things were happy and enjoyed a peaceful sleep. Eventually, the old man fell into a deep sleep and saw the fairies and birds having a good time in his dream. Sumina's story calmed his mind and invited him into a world of gentle dreams. In this way, Sumina continued to weave a peaceful story while delivering a peaceful night to the people of the village. The villagers were able to have happy dreams every night thanks to the stories given by the spirit of sleep. Good night. I hope you can have a wonderful dream too.